Robust digital expert enthusiasts.
Hey there, digital enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Robust Digital Expert channel, your go-to digital cafeteria, serving up fresh skills, bold ideas, and career-transforming content every single week. If you're hungry for growth, ready to future-proof your career, and eager to unlock a world of over 130 digital opportunities, you're exactly where you need to be. Not subscribed yet? No worries, just smash that subscribe button, tap the bell, and never miss a beat on your digital journey. Here at Robust Digital Expert, we're not just trainers, we're your digital mentors, companions, and accountability partners. Whether you're starting from scratch or leveling up your skills in business analysis, project management, data science, or AI, there's a seat saved just for you. No experience? No problem. This is a space where everyone is welcome, no tech snobbery, no gatekeeping. We don't just teach theory, we immerse you in real-world challenges through live projects and digital work experiences that boost your confidence and your CV. And it's not all work, no play, we also serve up mindset makeovers, self-love masterclasses, and personal development boosters because real success starts from the inside out. Ready to take the leap? Check the link in the description to explore our virtual mentoring academy and secure your spot today. Don't just watch others grow. Grow with us. Learn. Transform. Elevate. Welcome to Robust Digital Expert, where digital dreams become reality. Thanks for tuning in, now let's dive in.
The title for the playlist.
Project Management Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly.
Definition.
Good manufacturing practice (GMP) refers to the set of guidelines and regulations that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. GMP applies to manufacturing, testing, and quality assurance to safeguard product integrity and consumer safety, particularly in industries like pharmaceuticals, food, and cosmetics.
Origin.
The concept of GMP originated from the need to protect consumers from contaminated, unsafe, or ineffective products. It was formally introduced by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in the 1960s, following public health incidents. Since then, GMP standards have become globally adopted and regulated under various names across different countries and industries.
Detailed explanation.
Quality by design. GMP requires that manufacturing processes are planned, documented, and executed to prevent defects rather than simply testing for them afterward. Standard operating procedures (SOPs). Every step in the manufacturing process must follow documented instructions, ensuring consistency and reducing variability. Hygiene and cleanliness. Facilities, equipment, and personnel must follow strict sanitation rules to prevent contamination and ensure product purity. Documentation and traceability. Every batch must be fully traceable. If something goes wrong, GMP documentation allows the cause to be tracked and addressed.
Relevance to the field.
Ensures regulatory compliance. Adhering to GMP is mandatory in regulated industries. It avoids legal risks and protects a company's license to operate. Reduces risks of defects. By building quality into the process, GMP minimizes the chance of product recalls, harm to users, and damage to brand reputation. Drives operational discipline. GMP practices bring order, clarity, and accountability to production, which are also transferable principles in project delivery and business analysis.
Usage.
Pharmaceutical manufacturing. GMP ensures that medicines are safe, effective, and made under hygienic and controlled conditions. Food production. GMP governs how food is processed, packaged, and stored to prevent contamination and ensure public health safety. Project audits and quality reviews. In project management, GMP-inspired processes may be adopted during project quality control and vendor compliance checks.
Examples of application.
Medical device production. A factory producing pacemakers follows GMP to ensure each device meets stringent safety and performance requirements before release. Supplement manufacturing. A dietary supplement company uses GMP to track ingredients from sourcing to bottling, reducing risks and meeting health authority standards.
In summary,
GMP, good manufacturing practice, is a gold standard in quality management that ensures safety, consistency, and control across manufacturing processes. It's not just a legal requirement, it's a strategic advantage. For any product that impacts health or safety, GMP safeguards the trust between provider and consumer through disciplined processes and rigorous standards.
join the journey. Grow with us. Thank you for being part of our YouTube journey on the Robust Digital Expert channel. We truly appreciate your time, your presence, and your continued support. If you haven't already, now's the perfect time to subscribe to our channel, where education meets innovation and every video is crafted to help you grow, learn, and thrive in the digital world. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest uploads, curated playlists, and expert insights designed to empower learners, professionals, and business minds alike. We're building a vibrant community, and your voice matters. So go ahead and drop a comment, let us know your thoughts, share your feedback, or suggest a topic you'd love to see us cover. Join the Robust Digital Expert family today and be part of a movement that's redefining digital learning. Hit the like button, share with others, and stay connected as we explore, innovate, and grow together. Thank you once again. We're excited to have you on this journey with us.